John, good morning. Your email asked about how to do an analysis of the survey results. I'm going to show you how easy it is using SurveyMonkey itself. So log into your SurveyMonkey account. By the way, I'm using a Mac, not Windows, so this may look a little different, but the functions will, of course, work the same. And you get to this summary page of your most recent survey as shown. You've had 7 surveys, but notice when you move the mouse pointer over this bar that the screen actually changes as to what you can do. I've not clicked anything yet, so just move your mouse over that hiking survey, hit Analyze Results. It takes it a minute to go through and do its own thing behind the scenes. Gives you a little progress window. And in just a moment, there's your analysis. Question summary, data trends, individual responses can also be seen. Notice up here in the upper right, there's a Save As. We'll come back to that. So I'll just scroll down here quickly to show you how it presents the results. It also gives you the data underlying their chart. So how often are you likely to participate? Once a week is green, and that's the one down here at almost 27%, and how many people responded that way. And notice up here too, it also says one person skipped that question. So scroll back to the top. Under Save As, click. Export File, click. We're going to do Summary Data, click. And you get some choices. If you know PowerPoint, you may want to choose it as a PowerPoint. I think just for sending out to everybody, a PDF will work just fine. So I'm going to show you that output here in a moment. So PDF, let's change it to a landscape orientation so the charts are a little bit bigger. Start each question on a new page, yes. Open-ended responses show all kinds of detail behind each question, so I would recommend not clicking that one, and hit Export. It takes it a moment to prepare the file, but in a second, again, a screen will pop up. Don't click anything else, just wait for it. We also have Comporium to thank for all the speed it takes. So it comes up, download the file. Again, this is a Mac, so it looks different for you, but let's save it wherever you'd like to save it on your hard drive. Takes a moment to download the file. I'm clicking over to my version of Windows Explorer and looking for the desktop, and here it is. So it comes out one question per page. So hopefully that helps you get something in summary form and easy to send out to everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye.